Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix synchronization issues in Outlook so your email, calendars, and contacts update properly. Whether messages aren't syncing or folders aren't refreshing, these steps will help restore smooth performance. On your desktop computer, click Start and then go to Settings. Once we're in Settings, go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Scroll down until you see Outlook. When you find Outlook, click the three dots and click Advanced Options. Towards the bottom of this menu, we will see the Repair option. Simply click Repair, and Outlook will be repaired in just a few seconds. Once the check button appears, it is now repaired. That's how we fix synchronization issues in Outlook in just a few simple steps. With everything working correctly again, we won't miss any important updates.